Hi, it's me with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and just this morning I made a video on how to make these two lines equally apart, and I did it using the contour tool. And as I like it when people send me suggestions, another way to do it. And I've actually messed with this a little bit. I'm going to combine this line. But so you've got a curved line and you want a half a line. All you have to do, and his suggestion, just turn it to a 1/2 inch line. Go to Object and convert outline to an object. Then you can go left click on the no fill and right click on the outline. Now you have two inboxes just like we had earlier, and this is probably even a better way. It does throw another wrench into it, but if you grab everything with the shape tool, it gives you the option right here to break curve apart. Then you can take this outer node and just move it out of the way and hit delete. Take this outer node and hit delete. So now you have two objects. Now, if you're going to engrave just like that, you're good to go. But if you, and I guess you would be, but the only other way to do this would be to break curve apart. But then the bad thing, you've actually broken these individual lines. So if you're just going to not, if he's just wanting to cut, let's say a racetrack, or a deal for a marble machine, maybe that's what he's building, and he wanted to cut this wood out, this would work. Anyway, so I hope that helped a little bit, and I thank the viewer or subscriber for making this suggestion. Thanks for watching.